Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. So let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram application. So swipe right to go to your chat feed. Now select the person with whom you want to turn on or turn off your Vanish mode. So to turn on Vanish mode, you should simply pull upwards. So now your Vanish mode is turned on. So the use of Vanish mode is that whatever text and messages you do in this period, they won't be saved or recorded. Now to turn off the Vanish mode, again simply pull up the chat. So yes, this is the way how you turn on and turn off the Vanish mode on Instagram. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps you.